It's a lazy Sunday morning. Woke up, was supposed to be nice all day today. Thought it was supposed to be nice all week. Maybe not up here, but it's raining. We got some thunder, so we had breakfast. Doug made pancakes and bacon, which was good. And we kind of just been hanging out. It's like noon now. Not much to do, so we're just chilling. April's taking a nap. Nancy's taking a nap. Dogs are taking a nap. I need a haircut, but yeah, just chilling. Just heard the weather report for this afternoon, Monday, Labor Day. Partly cloudy and sunny skies. Nope. No, sir. I think you missed the mark a little bit. Nice steady rain. All right, since we got rained out of every other activity, we're gonna hit up some of the shops.
I like this bench.
You like this bench? That's a cool bench. We're at the Cooksburg Dry Goods store, right by ice cream.
Yeah.
That's cute. If you're getting them an animal, you should get them a fawn.
Well, yes, because that's me. Which one? You like these or no?
Interesting. Lost power for a minute. We're good. Generator's on. Next door. Next, I'm looking for a Cook Forest t-shirt. Because I don't think I've ever had one.
I've had a hoodie before.
Yeah, I've had a hoodie. Look at the flooding, 2014. That's out back. The river now is like 20 yards from where that is.
Behind McBeth, oh my god.
Wow.
That's amazing.
See anything?
This is cute.
I like how it's off center.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is it supposed to be?
probably.
No, it's not.
Oh, I like that too. Oh, I thought it was.
This one's.
One more stop. We have a cabin like right next to here, and I haven't been to the Parker's Indian Trading Post in maybe 15 years. So we'll check it out.
What? Yeah, I have one.
Oh, these are.
Ooh, I like that one.
Clary River.
Nice. Love it.
Between this and gray, but everything
like it.
else I own is gray, so we'll try this.
It's good.
Yeah.
Good job.
This is.
Oh, yeah.
They're cute.
I do like those.
And you just plug it in, but you know, you have to plug it in.
Also, I changed my mind. I'm not normally a long sleeve person, but I like this design a lot, and it's on the back.
And they have this. I'm not sure what. This
So I'm gonna go with that.
Handling. I don't know what you exactly do with it. It's like a different kind of.
And the prices are pretty good here too. T-shirt was 12. This is 20.
Check out the. Oh,
Not bad.
I'll keep this lamp.
Over here.
I don't care. Oh, it's over here
Oh,
now.
boy.
Yeah.
Ah, hey.
What do you think?
It fits. Turn around.
Dark.
Oh, boy.
Out.
Ah,
It's
yes.
like perfect for fall and spring
It
in
is.
the woods for camping.
I like it.
Roll the sleeves up a little bit.
Very
I
good.
like it too.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I like the
Yeah.
T-shirt, but I think I like this better.
Good job.
Cool. Playing a few games and eating some Jacks before we head home. Do you have Racco yet?
No.
Good, I'm gonna get it.
No.
I'm close. Ooh, that helps. Yes.
Yikes. Also, yikes.
Not yikes.
Oh, COVID.
This is woohoo. First
Yeah.
you take the Oreo, then you take the $3 peanut butter that April wanted me to go to McBeth to get,
No, only you wanted to go to McBeth and get because you were hankering.
and you put it on the Oreo like so.
And then you shove it in your pie hole.
Oh my god.
Well, we're starting to pack up, and today I was going to water all the trees one more time, but Mother Nature kind of took care of that for me. So they got a nice gentle soak all day, and we won't need to do it until we come back. Doug may come up this weekend, bring up some wood, so we'll water them then if they need it. But I think they're going to do pretty good. Hopefully they take.
Headed home. It was a good weekend at camp.
It was a great weekend, even though today was a little bit of a washout.
Yeah, today was a wash. I didn't know it was gonna rain, but we basically napped a little, ate some good food. You're good.
I'm glad we decided to go to the river yesterday because we were deciding between yesterday and today.
True. Yeah.
Yesterday was the right answer.
Yes. And we did some shopping and stuff, and yeah, it was good. So until next time, next month.
Yep, heading home.
Bye.